DeZURIK is a large company, you still have that family feel. I don't know of many places where the CEO would still know the names of all the employees and can walk up to anybody.
We have great team members and we're able to get the best of the best, but it's just because of our culture that we can pull people in.
We are very focused on well-being, more so than any company I've ever worked for, and that's physical, mental, financial, all aspects.
I was actually brought to tears a couple times because there's sincere appreciation for what you do, that you came here to work and recognition for what you did.
So really, how do we make the employees or team members' daily life better? And so really that's what it's all about, is your team members.
So I think there's that really family-friendly feel, the appreciation for what you do.
We've got such a strong leadership team and backing behind us. It just really makes me proud to be a part of DeZURIK.
DeZURIK has been around since 1928, and it actually started when Matt DeZURIK was working at the paper mill, and the valves kept clogging up and they couldn't get the product to go through. So he developed an innovative rubber that would allow the valves to open up and go through, and so that's how DeZURIK started.
We have roughly about 700 employees right now, always growing, and we have a variety of locations across the U.S. as well as Canada.
So Sartell has about 430, 450 employees. It's pretty equally split between production and office. The office staff provides support for engineering, marketing, sales, accounting. The shop is unionized, and we have about 230 employees in there. And we operate 24 hours a day. Our first shift is the most significant, and they do most of the big stuff. Second shift does fill-in work, and then third shift does just some of the maintenance and keeps the machines going.
I think our culture at DeZURIK is very family friendly. Our leadership team can walk around and they can greet you by name. You're not just a number, you're not just a team member who's walking the halls, you're not just a person that they see, they know your name.
So our values are very important as far as every level of our organization. It comes from our CEO, Brian Burns, and we open every all-teams meeting with our values. We include our values in any of our interviews for new prospective team members coming to work here. And we really focus on driven to win right. Winning in the right way is really what we try and focus on. A can-do attitude, somebody who's going to jump in, come in with new ideas, not just say this is the way we've always done it before, and really strive to be better. And our third value that's really important is high power, low ego, learning how to fit in within our culture. The last one was very important as well, is thrive together. We're a very community-based organization. Like I said before, we focus on well-being. We focus on giving back to our community. So how do we thrive together and collaborate going forward?
I think when I first started at DeZURIK 5 years ago, one of the things that struck me is our commitment not only to the employee but the community. And I think employees sense that. So part of our program here gives employees the opportunity to volunteer 8 hours a year at an event of their choice. So it's always a giving back to the community, and that's an emphasis.
So we offer paid volunteer time for every team member, and we highly encourage it. I think that's the difference. A lot of companies offer the time, but they really maybe it's more detrimental if you take that time off. We highly encourage it. We highly publicize anytime people are in different projects. So it's a great feeling to get out there and work together, especially we have cross teams working together, and then share what you've done.
Employee recognition is very important for us at DeZURIK. Every year we do team member debriefs after we do our team member survey, and we heard loud and clear that team members want to have dollars tied to their recognition, and so we implemented an online employee recognition platform so team members can recognize each other every single month. They can give them kind of shout outs and just say thank you for all your hard work, and they can actually award them points that then the team members can go onto the platform and they can order from Amazon, they can get gift cards, they can do charitable donations.
They don't have issue finding employees. In fact, at this point we have a waiting list to get into to work in the shop. So I think we have a great product, we have a great engineering team. The team as a whole brands ourselves well and set ourselves up for the future.
We've been able to overcome some of the workforce shortages with our employee referral program. We have really reinforced our employee referral program, and so we challenged our leadership team by allowing us to increase that referral program. Our best employees come from employee referrals. You know who you want to work with, you know who's a good worker. You're not likely going to refer somebody who's just going to sit back and just kind of skate by. And we just know that our best employees, they refer our best employees also.
You know, I think DeZURIK is deserving of the Employer Choice Award because they put the employee first. So, for example, for the first time we offered a training program for machinists. We realized that people can't take 2 years of their lives, work all day, go to school all night, but yet we had a need for machining. So thinking about what can we do to help develop employees and to fulfill our need for machinists, basically, we offered a program where employees could take Fridays and use it for a training day. So we allowed 8 employees, or accepted applications for 8 employees to go to the St. Cloud Technical School. We made our own program for machining, so they didn't have to have time away from their family. They could do it during the day. They got a certificate that they completed our training and now will qualify for a machining job, which is a significant increase in pay from jobs they had before.
I think we're deserving in that we've been working towards this for several years and we've really made incremental improvements, and now it's kind of all coming together. So we, as a leadership team here at DeZURIK, we decided this is what we want to work towards, this is what's important, and we've funded that with both monetary as well as time and direction for the whole company. So really, how do we make the employees or team members' daily life better? And so really, that's what it's all about, is your team members.